This is why you need to know about NASA's most wanted list of asteroids. First up, Bennu. Bennu is not just any ordinary space rock, it's a colossal 74-million-ton behemoth that has captured the attention of scientists worldwide. With a diameter of about 500 meters, Bennu is roughly the size of the Empire State Building. Its potential impact on Earth is a serious concern, with a 1 in 2,700 chance of hitting our planet by the year 2182. Imagine the devastation if Bennu were to strike a major city. The impact would be catastrophic, resulting in millions of deaths and widespread destruction. The energy released would be equivalent to thousands of nuclear bombs going off simultaneously. Next on the list is 1950 DA. This asteroid is a true monster with the potential to end humanity as we know it. 1950 DA carries the explosive power of 75 billion tons of TNT. To put that into perspective, that's more than 1,500 times the energy of the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. The chance of 1950 DA impacting Earth is 1 in 34,500 by the year 2880. While that may seem like a distant future, the potential consequences are too dire to ignore. Now, let's talk about 2023 TL4. This newly discovered asteroid has already made it onto NASA's radar as a significant threat. Despite being a recent find, 2023 TL4 poses a 1 in 181,000 chance of colliding with Earth by 2119. If it were to hit, the impact would unleash the energy equivalent to 7.5 billion tons of TNT, causing unimaginable destruction. The next asteroid on our list is 2007 FT3. Although 2007 FT3 might be lost in the vastness of space, it remains a significant threat. With a 1 in 11.5 million chance of hitting Earth in either 2024 or 2030, the potential for disaster is still present. If it were to strike, the impact would result in a regional disaster, causing widespread damage and loss of life. The energy released would be equivalent to a massive explosion, making it a serious concern for scientists. Lastly, we have 1979 XB. This asteroid has been missing for 40 years, but it still poses a threat. With a 1 in 1.8 million chance of impacting Earth by 2113, 1979 XB could unleash 30 billion tons of TNT's worth of trouble if it were to hit. The potential impact would be devastating, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. NASA is constantly monitoring these asteroids to ensure our safety. The work of NASA's scientists and researchers is crucial in identifying and tracking these potential threats. By studying their trajectories and understanding their behavior, we can better prepare for any potential impact. The efforts of these dedicated individuals help to keep us safe and informed about the dangers lurking in space. So stay curious, stay safe, and trust that NASA is on the lookout for us. With their advanced technology and expertise, NASA is our first line of defense against these potentially catastrophic events. Their vigilance ensures that we can continue to live our lives without constantly worrying about the threat of an asteroid impact. So, while the universe may be full of dangers, we can rest a little easier knowing that NASA is keeping a watchful eye on the skies. Stay curious, stay safe. NASA is not just monitoring these asteroids, they're also developing strategies to deflect or destroy them if necessary. This includes missions like the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, which aims to test our ability to change an asteroid's trajectory. The DART mission is a groundbreaking effort to ensure that we have the tools and knowledge to protect our planet from potential asteroid impacts. By successfully altering the path of an asteroid, we can prevent a catastrophic event before it happens. The success of the DART mission will pave the way for future asteroid deflection efforts, making our planet safer for generations to come. It's a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of NASA's scientists and engineers. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the knowledge and technology we develop will not only help us understand our place in the universe, but also protect our home planet from potential threats. NASA's work is essential in ensuring a safe and secure future for all of us. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that NASA is out there working tirelessly to keep us safe from the dangers that lurk in the vastness of space. Stay curious, stay safe, and trust in the incredible work being done by NASA. With their advanced technology and expertise, NASA is our first line of defense against these potentially catastrophic events. Their vigilance ensures that we can continue to live our lives without constantly worrying about the threat of an asteroid impact. So, while the universe may be full of dangers, we can rest a little easier knowing that NASA is keeping a watchful eye on the skies. Stay curious, stay safe.